Hello and welcome to Finance Matters, a production of the Communication and Public Relations branch of the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service. I'm your host, Daniel Pasley, and today we'll be speaking to Commissioner of the Revenue Appeals Division, Dr. Delary Staple-Chambers. Thank you so much, Commissioner, for coming on the program.
Thank you, Daniel. I'm happy to be here.
Great. So when people think about revenue appeal, or should I say revenue appeals, what is it all about?
Okay, the Revenue Appeals Division is the arm of government that has provided a mechanism wherein persons who feel aggrieved about a tax assessment, they can question that assessment and have a review done by an independent body. The mandate is founded in law. The Revenue Appeals Division Act of 2015 provides the legal provisions under which such appeals can be managed. Persons are able to file an appeal against 14 different tax types, including income tax, PAYE, company income tax, education tax, GCT, customs duties, and all the other tax types that fall under the GCT Act, including stamp duty and the transfer tax. Once a person has received a decision from either the Commission of Jamaica Customs or the Tax Administration Jamaica, and they feel that that decision was in error, or they do not agree with the way in which a decision was made, they can use the services of the Revenue Appeals Division.
So this process is more seamless and it's within a shorter time frame, right?
Well, the mechanism is a quasi-judicial mechanism, meaning that you do not need the services of an attorney to access the service. So it's not a court, it's an administrative mechanism, and you as a taxpayer can serve yourself. You do not need to employ an attorney or even an accountant for that matter. That doesn't mean you cannot do it, but it's not necessary. And yes, what the mechanism is designed to do is to make accessing appeal more cost-effective and more efficient.
So in that case, if I'm interested in filing a complaint, what is the first step?
Well, the very first step is that you have to complete the Revenue Appeals form, which is called the RA01. That form is available on the Ministry of Finance website, or you can pick up hard copies at different tax offices across Jamaica, or even at our offices at 12 Ocean Boulevard, Kingston. Once you have received that form, you complete it in its entirety, and what it does is structure the information and provide a guide of the kind of documents and support that you need to support your appeal. You must also attach to that form a copy of the decision that you are appealing, as well as a list of the evidence that you will rely on to make your case. You submit that to the Revenue Appeals Division, and you can do that by bearer, through the post, or even email. And once we receive that, we will issue with a receipt to ensure, to let you know that we have accepted your appeal, and to also inform you of what to expect in the matter being handled. We provide you with a reference number where you can use that to track the process of your appeal. The mechanism that is provided in the Revenue Appeals Division Act of 2015 also provide new mechanisms or new processes under which the appeals can be addressed. So before we had only one standard process. Now we have multiple processes which can be used to resolve the appeal based on the complexity of the appeal or the nature of the appeal. And so what that has done is to provide efficiency mechanisms so that matters can be turned around in a faster time frame.
All right, so on the next program, we'll be talking a little bit more of the other processes and also some of the achievements of the RAD. Thank you so much, Dr. Delary Staple-Chambers, for coming on the program, and I want to thank you, our viewers, for watching Finance Matters. I'm your host, Daniel Pasley,